Whoa, what's up? It's Mike, it's Behind the Dirt. I was taking a look at Big Tens and I saw something that I really love that is Stevan Micic, right? So what I want you guys to recognize is that elbow control to a leg attack generally is associated with either high crotches or doubles or maybe duck unders, right? So here, right, most guys, if they have elbow control with their left, they're going right-handed, high crotch, or they're going right here to a duck under style double, right? It's not a penetration double, so to speak, but it's more of a duck under style double. Now, what I love that Stevan Micic does is he uses elbow control as another way to get to his single leg. So he kind of drops like he's going high crotch. He goes cross hand like it's a high crotch, but instead of going high crotch, he goes here, knee pull, okay? And as you can see right here, freeze right there, a lot of his body weight is starting to go forward. So as he turns into me, easy to come out the back door. Watch it one more time.
On a beautiful knee pull by Micic off that elbow. He's looking to pull that foot off, push the knee, and Renteria wisely bails.
Look, it's not exactly groundbreaking stuff, but what I do like about it is that it's smashing together two worlds. The elbow control world is usually separate from the knee pull single world. Good stuff by Micic.